Today I want to show you how to make dusty sunlight in Vray Sketchup. At first, you need to enable shadows from view setting. To achieve the dusty ray, sunlight have to come from Windows side. So, adjust the sun options until you get required position to your scene. Just keep in mind, after adjust the sun setting, memorize your setting just before you click the scene menu, because it will reset the shadow setting to original. Enable shadow setting again, and adjust early sun position back. The ray will appear through the sunlight. So make it right, comfortable with your scene. After getting the way you like, disable the shadows from setting and update to your scene. Disabling shadows will make your model run smoothly. Don't worry, disabling shadows won't disappear in the render setting. Let's head back to render setting. Okay, now it is turn for dusty ray setting, so-called volumetric environment. Before you turn on the ray setting, make render setting to render interactive. So, it make you easy adjusting setting. Now it is time to turn on the setting. Change your type setting to environmental fog. Put Vray frame buffer and render setting to side by side. Set emission and color to default. In case you want to change color, you can change. Remember, the lesser value of distance, make the fog close to you. The bigger distance value, make the dust stay in the sunlight. To understand the setting, I put the link of official Vray volumetric environmental page in description. Value 0-inch height, mean no dust in the area, so make it higher value to get the level you want. After adjust the ray setting, let's head to Final Rendering. Here, the final output result. To get better results, set your output size to 2K or 4K, depending on your CPU, GPU, it will take the less or the more time.